everyone. My name is Liz Thompson. I work for WBM International, which is a company that makes products using Himalayan Pink Salt as the base. Now, today I'm going to be talking and showcasing one of our newer products in the Natural Solutions line. It is a pink Himalayan sea salt inhaler. It comes in a box just like this, and it's a tried and true method to relieve symptoms of allergies, asthma, sinus conditions, and even hay fever. So, here we go. When you purchase one, it comes in this box, and inside that box there is a user manual, which is great for future reference on how to clean and store your ceramic inhaler. It's very important that you keep it dry. Also within that box are 2 pre-measured packets of salt. This includes our pure Himalayan pink salt that we personally mine from the Himalayan mountains. So each packet is for a one-time use. They're 1.4 ounces, and it makes it so simple and so easy to use. Now, for the good part. The inhaler itself comes in a little baggie just like this. This is what you're going to store it in once it's all clean and rinsed out and dried. Now, the inhaler looks just like this. The top part is where you have your mouthpiece. It has a little stopper in it that helps keep all of the impurities in the air around it out. So that way when you go to store it and stuff, it keeps the inside and everything all pure and clean and no buildup. On the bottom, there is ventilation holes and a little plug.